welcome back to Gustube. Today we are going to do some electronics like this.
Electronic snap circuits.
And let's see how we can do with all of these
Little pieces. So,
let's see if they can make a fan where it turn on lights and stuff like that.
okay, so I'm just going to be watching this little page in this book to find what I want to do today. So I'm going to turn on a light, and I'm going to take all of these little pieces and I'm going to put them on the board. So let's go back to project 1. So as you can see, project 1 is a little complicated. That's project 2, and we're going to do project 1 right up here. So we're going to take this and we're going to snap it on there, and then we're going to take this one, which is the on switch. We are going to snap it on and take one of these little switches and put it on there as well, which will take the electricity from here into the on and make it go. So then after, this electricity box is the on box, as I've already said, and it will be going down here, so it goes through and it comes around through the thing, and it will make it connect to the light, which will make the light light up. So that's what we're going to be doing today. As you can see, we've already started. It is a lot of fun, and it's a little complicated, but not too complicated. Let's take the 3, and you have to make sure they're snapped in all the way or it won't work, and we'll start getting all staticky, and that would not be good. We do not need that to be happening today. So I think I'm done. I'm going to check everything.
So you should turn on the on switch.
Yes, I'm going to make sure everything's straight and working and snapped in, because if it's not, it'll go all crazy. Okay, so ready?
It turned on the light.
So it travels through here. The on switch goes through there and goes over there. And these little things get hot. If you can feel them, they get hot and they feel a little hot. So yeah, that's how you turn it on. Thanks for watching.
Thank you for doing this with us. Thanks for watching. We're doing our second project of the video, and we are getting ready for the project, getting all the pieces, making sure that we get everything right, get on the right page, and we are almost ready. Are we ready?
Yeah.
Okay, let's start.
This is the batteries. We're going to take the batteries and we are going to put them on the board, because that's the way it works. So we are going to skip ahead to project 3, because project 3 is so fun. I can't wait to finish. It sings. You'll just see what it sings. No, I'm not going to ruin it for you. Okay, so we're going to need a 5-piece. Going to make sure all of them are underneath and pushed together so they don't go all crazy and blow up. By the way, in advance, if it does blow up, we're going to try not for anybody to get hurt, but hopefully it doesn't blow up, because we do not need that happening.
Which it never has happened
Before. Yet. Because we literally just opened this thing. I'm skipping a little ahead and doing...
We don't even know if there's any projects that include blowing up.
Yeah. We don't really know yet.
But there's probably not.
Hopefully there's not. Almost done with this side. So put those together, and we're going to need a little piece. Number 2.
But on the first part, remember what she said, because you have to like connect a bunch of stuff to make it go in like a little energy connection.
Yeah. So the on button switches it on. Batteries make it go. So the battery comes in here, goes on, and it travels through
Here's a little
here,
sound effect thing.
goes through the music IC, and then it goes back over
And this little sound effect thingy makes a little sound effect, and it's going. I hope it's going to be a good sound effect.
We're going to use an extension cord. It's going to connect to this.
To make sure it makes a noise.
Yes.
After that,
You see the paper a little bit? Yes. So we got the chords continued, and we only have one more piece left, which is the 3. Last time when we were doing it before we made the video to make sure it worked, we put it here and I forgot. So it didn't work. And I was like, what's wrong? What did I forget? Okay, so yesterday was Gus's, no, not yesterday. On Sunday was Gus's birthday. And so this is what we're going to do. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to Gus. So it worked, yes.
Now let's do. Oh, we'll listen to it again.
Okay, so thank you for watching Gustube, and we will make another one where the fan spins.
Or whatever it does. Welcome back again to Gustube. So, we're going to do our 3rd project, and then the video is going to end. So, we are getting the pieces, as I said before, making sure everything works, finding the page, like I said before. So, let's see. I'll start the scene when we're ready. The distraction before we start our little project thing. I'm gonna do this with you. Those are distractions. So now we are gonna start the project.